Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn off your iPhone 15 Plus. Alright, let's begin. There are 3 easy ways to power off your iPhone 15 Plus. First, use the hardware buttons. Press and hold the side button and either the volume up or volume down button at the same time. When the power menu appears, drag the slide to power off slider to shut down your iPhone. The second method is through settings. Open the settings app, tap General, scroll to the bottom, and select Shutdown. When the power slider appears, drag it to turn off your device. The third method is by using Siri. Activate Siri by saying Siri or Hey Siri, then say Power off my iPhone. Confirm the prompt and your iPhone will begin shutting down. To turn your iPhone back on, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears, then release it and wait for the device to boot up. If the side button isn't working, connect your iPhone to a charger using a USB-C cable or a MagSafe charger. Once power is connected, the iPhone will automatically turn on. So that's basically how you can turn off your iPhone 15 Plus. That's it for this video. Thanks.